If you're visiting Hungary, I'm sure you want to try out some of the best Hungarian local foods, but maybe you don't know where to start exactly. So in this video, I will show you 5 Hungarian dishes from breakfast to dinner while I try to recreate them in my own kitchen. Hey, my name is Petra, I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest, and today's video is all about authentic Hungarian food. I will show you what locals actually eat, because I can imagine going into a Hungarian restaurant for the first time and seeing the menu can be quite overwhelming, so fear no more, because I'm here to help you a little. Let's dive into the video. Bam! We're starting the day with a typical Hungarian comfort food, bundás kenyér, our savory version of the French toast. It's quick, cheap, and every Hungarian kid grew up eating it. This was always our go-to dish when we had some leftover stale bread and we didn't want it to eat it like on its own. Well, I shouldn't say that in the past, because I still do it like every week. It's just such a nice way to save that bread that you wouldn't eat otherwise. So it's a win-win situation. So here's the final bundás kenyér. Let's taste it.
Right, it's a bread with fur. It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very simple, very cheap. You can save some stale bread with it. You can do it at home. You don't have to go to a brunch place to try this out, but just so you know, this is a pretty traditional Hungarian breakfast. And also it's perfect with a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like.
I'm drinking my morning coffee.
I already drank that. Or drunk. Drunk. Nowadays my mom makes an extra version in which she piles up 2 slices and puts some ham and cheese in between. And you can also find these type of French toasts in brunch places or different Hungarian restaurants that serve breakfast options as well, but just for the record, the plain one is the original. For lunch, I will make a nice bowl of gulyás leves, or gulyás soup in English. Gulyás leves is Hungary's national dish and also a Hungaricum, a hearty beef soup flavored with paprika, garlic, and a lot of vegetables. Originally it was made in the Great Plain by cattle herders, who in Hungarian are named gulyás, and they made this dish in big cauldrons called bogrács over an open fire. But today I will just use my little stove and this bad boy. You can also make little noodles to it called chipetka, which is quite easy. You only need an egg, some flour and a little salt. Okay, while it's cooking, I would like to talk about the origin of gulyás soup. It's important to mention that this dish was originally a stew, not a soup. But with time, since it began to spread to the bigger cities and towns, the soup version took over, and nowadays if you're in a Hungarian restaurant and you would like to eat some gulyás, you will probably get gulyás soup instead of stew. In restaurants, it's often served in a small kettle, but at home, it's just a big pot shared with the family. Okay, finally, after 2 hours, comes the taste test. It's good, but it's a bit too spicy. I'm so proud, because I think that was the most complex thing I've ever done for a lunch. So I'm pretty proud. For first time, it's not that bad. I mean, it's good.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah, nice. Next up, Mátrai borzaska. It's named after the Matra mountains from where it originates, and it's basically a schnitzel with grated potato crust and garlic sour cream top. It's super crispy and super filling, a perfect dish for a nice lunch. As a side dish, you can eat whatever, it doesn't really matter. You can eat with mashed potatoes or rice with peas and corn that Hungarians call rizi-bizi. These are just some Hungarian go-to side dishes. Here we have the main course. Yeah. Oh my god. I should have made that before. I don't understand why I waited for this long.
That's amazing.
Really recommend it. Try it in a restaurant or make it at home if you can. Also, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's see the next one. For dessert, one of my favorite Hungarian dish is mákos guba, which translated to English would be something like poppy seed bread. And this is a traditional dessert made from leftover bread rolls, poppy seed and vanilla custard. It's especially popular around Christmas time, but many people do it whenever they feel like they want to do it, so don't worry about it. By the time the poppy seed bread is almost ready, we can make the vanilla custard. Finally comes the taste test. Okay. That's actually really good.
Approved.
Approved. So much approved that someone eats the second. It was honestly so good. It's actually very simple and very cheap to make. I just don't understand.
And it's very traditional.
Very traditional. Yeah, that's the purpose of the whole video.
Oh, I didn't know. I just knew she was making recipes.
It is the fourth recipe already.
Yes, it is the fourth recipe, of course. Definitely.
This is the dessert after the lunch.
Yes, of course. It's actually 12:30. We just ate lunch, it was so good. The soup was...
really nice. To end the day and also to recommend the fifth traditional Hungarian dish, I will make Hungary's most popular street food, lángos. It's a deep fried dough that is crispy on the outside and fluffy in the inside, and you can top it with many different stuff. This is even nowadays a very popular market food. You'll see dozens of people lining up for lángos, and I don't know, somehow I feel that it's so wonderful. If you walk around the city and in Hungary overall, you will see many restaurants and stands that offer you lángos, but just as many other Hungarian people, I swear to the market ones as well. So here's the final lángos. It looks actually good. It's small. Don't sue me, I forgot to make garlic paste. But now I'm just so hungry that I won't do that now. And cheese, but you can eat with whatever you want.
But this is the most traditional way.
Yeah.
Well, not the garlic powder.
No, not the garlic powder.
Garlic
Grated.
oil. Let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it. Oh my god. This bite, I think you heard that. The crispiness, I love it. You can do it at home. Follow this recipe that I will share with you and you'll be fine. That's very nice.
Hungarian approved.
Yeah, totally recommended. That's a nice recipe. I will save it for later. So there you have it. 5 traditional dishes and a full day of eating like a true Hungarian. Which one of these dishes would you try first, or have you already tasted any Hungarian food? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I make many Budapest and Hungary related content, and I think that was it. See you in the next one. Bye!